Here it is. I had to wait until daytime because I couldn't get the rest of the dash in the picture. All I could capture on the video was just a really bright screen, and I want you guys to see how the fitment went of the entire thing. It wasn't too hard to get it in there, just some double stick tape and some styrofoam. And it's on there solid. I mean, there's no movement whatsoever. But here's my problem. The biggest problem I'm having so far with this is this static stuff. Actually, it's not really static, it's more like a distortion. So the volume, let me show you the volume of the tablet. Volume is about 75% of the way up. Okay, I don't know if you can hear the music, but it sounds okay. Let me turn it up. But I'm sure you see what the problem is now. So with the volume at 75%, I gotta turn this up all the way. And that's not really loud enough. I mean, when I'm on the highway, I get more road noise than volume. So what happens when I turn it up from the tablet, let me turn this up again so you can hear what happens. Alright, I'm gonna turn it up now. Okay, now back to 75%, and it's still messed up. The only way I can get it to stop doing this is if I pause the music. Alright, maybe not. How did I do this before? Yeah, see, it's just being a really big pain in my butt right now. I don't know if you can, oh, there it goes. It just stopped. So now the only thing I hear is the charger, which I'm probably gonna have to change out because this 110 volt charger is just way too much noise. And I even tried putting a ground loop isolator on the stereo cord, and it doesn't do anything. So okay, the noise stopped, and now I can press play again, and I get clean sound. But the second I turn it up past that 75% volume, I get that heavy distortion. And the volume of the song is not affected. So if I run this song on iTunes and I run it through a preamp and save it that way, it'll play on here, and it's going to play louder, but there's no static. So it's not really, I don't know what's going on here, because it's not really a volume issue. It's more like Sync doesn't like this tablet, and it does not like to get a heavy signal from this tablet. And I've tested it with headphones, no static, no distortion. It's just with Sync. I don't understand what the hell. So if any of you have any thoughts on this, a lot of help is what I need right now. And I don't have all the information I have on fixing this.